Hi, welcome back to my channel, Nicoram Off-Road. Today we are working on a 2 Escalade. The bearing hub, it was going bad. Right here. To do that, you have to obviously remove the tire, and then this one is for the brakes bracket. So it has two, one here, one here. They are like 18 millimeters. One here, one here. So you remove that as the brakes. And then one more thing you have to do is to remove the sensor. The ABS sensor, also you have to remove it. It's coming with the bearing hub, so I removed that too. And then to remove the bearing hub, which is that one, you have 3 bolts. You have to remove those bolts. They are 15 millimeters. They have 3. So 1, 2, 3. That's the 3 bolts you have to pull out to remove the bearing hub, which is this one. So listen how bad it is. The bearing is pretty bad. That's the hole for the sensor. You just have an Allen wrench screw. Right there. That's the sensor that it was in there. So we're gonna replace that one. So that's the way you take this one apart. I'm just waiting for the UPS to bring me the new bearing hub at any moment. So that's the way it is right now. Just waiting for the part. It's an O2 Escalade all-wheel drive. This is the other nut you have to remove. This is for the axle. It does have a nut right there. This one. And this is the cover that it goes on the bearing hub. So it goes on that one. And that's the rotor that it come off as soon as you remove the brakes. That one came off very easy. So let's see if the UPS arrive at any moment. Okay, the part is here. So it looks like it is the one I need. Brand new one. You just have to put it back together. It's coming with the ABS sensor. So let's put it on. Okay, the bearing hub is already mounted. Right there. This is the brake caliper bracket bolts. You can torque those to 144, and those for the bearing hubs you can torque those to 130, 133. in the Axonut, you can torque it to 180. So already you put it back together. The sensor is hooked up right there. Those little clips right there. So already mounted. All I had to do is to mount the tire, and we're gonna be done on this side. Done deal. Bearing half is replaced. So everything back in place. Everything torque. So it's done. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe.